everything we can do on that plasma saves us man hours on setups for the punches.
Yeah.
That really helps us a lot to be able to come right off the plasma, to deburr and roll, do the press brake, and we're ready to weld it. That impressed me that you even though you knew it was going to cost more, you sold us the right piece of equipment for the right job, and that's very impressive to me. My name is Jim Dees. I'm the plant manager of Cross Cleaning Systems. We manufacture high-end pressure washers. I won't say that they're the cheapest out there, but we try to make one of the highest quality pressure washers on the market. So, all right, yeah, this is our welding area on this end. We after everything is cut on the far end, it moves this way. Everything moves this way, and we'll start putting it together here. They weld all the steel on one side and the stainless on the other.
Okay.
And these guys are building frames right now. We're trying to do away, like I said, with the punching. We're trying to do all that on the plasma now. All our holes, everything we can do on that plasma saves us man hours on setups for the punches. So we're trying to kind of move towards that, and it's really working good.
So has it set up any of the stuff on the side?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
We can do our base for our coil wraps right now. When he finishes off the plasma, all we do is deburr that thing a little bit, we roll it and bend it, and it's a finished product. Before, the thing has 23 holes in it. Before, we were having to punch all the holes one at a time, and that's labor intense when you have to do all them setups. So that really helps us a lot to be able to come right off the plasma, to deburr and roll, do the press brake, and we're ready to weld it then. I'm telling you, when we were looking at machines, that we contacted another company, and we told them what we're going to cut and everything, and they told us you need 85 amp machine, told us all what we needed and everything, and of course we didn't know a whole lot about it. We come from a real small machine trying to get into something to cut 1 inch, and when he said, well, you need an 85 amp machine, and us not knowing any better, we said okay, and so we got a price for him on that, and then also we called y'all and got a price on your machine, and we liked the fact that y'all were close by, so we came over to see it, and as I talked to you, what impressed me the most, you said, hey, 85 amp is not going to cut 1 inch plate, and now that I've cut 1 inch plate with this machine, there is no way a 85 amp would have ever done it. That impressed me that you had, even though you knew it was going to cost more, you sold us the right piece of equipment for the right job, and that's very impressive to me. I mean, if we'd have bought that 85 amp machine, we wouldn't have the customer we have right now for over here for the extra work. And of course y'all will all your people over there are just really good to us.
Yeah.